Vive, simple, scalable wireless lighting controls for new and existing commercial buildings. Today, we're unboxing a Vive switching load controller. This device is part of a Vive system. Vive works as a simple system. You can create a Vive system in 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose load controllers. Step 2, choose personal controls. And step 3, choose sensors. The first step is choosing your load controllers. Now, let's do some unboxing. These are switching load controllers, also known as lighting control modules. One is for up to 16 amps and the other for up to 5 amps. Inside, you'll find the load controller, a 20mm conduit nut, and an instruction manual with details to help install, pair and program the wireless controls. The unit has buttons on it for optional manual operation and programming. There's even a convenient diagram for you on the product itself of how it's connected. The switching load controller is simple to wire. A certified electrician may provide maintained power to the unit through the live and neutral connections. The switched live wire is the black wire. Both the 5A and the 16A models use Lutron's patented soft switch technology that prevents arcing and is tested for 1 million cycles. The device easily screws onto the 20mm cutout of a marshalling or adaptable box using the conduit nut provided and can be placed in the ceiling, cupboard or riser. It must not be mounted inside a metallic enclosure. You'll need one controller for every switch lighting control zone for up to the capacity of your module, up to 1150 watts for the 5A unit and 3680 watts for the 16A unit. That is a lot of power. And guess what? There is no additional wiring needed for the manual controls or the sensors. You can count on it always working through Lutron's ultra-reliable Clear Connect wireless protocol. This system is perfect for any commercial environment, old and new.